Hello everybody, welcome back to another trade recap. I'm going to be going over how I made 441 on my 25k eval in around 4 minutes. Let's get into it. Alright, so coming to the date, we are bullish. We're clearly trending higher. The only thing that sussed me out a little is we're not really delivering from any drawn liquidity. So I was playing conditions very strictly today, right? The lowest I wanted to see us go today was definitely this 1 hour. If we went down here, then I was like, yeah, I don't want to see us go any lower because of all this low resistance that we have right here. So conditions definitely utilized today, especially delivering off this 1 hour right here. I was strict there because yeah, that's the lowest I want to see. Because if we are bullish, we should reject off of that and displace higher. But if we're bearish, we'll respect this 1 hour and keep going lower. Disrespect this 1 hour right here. It's also around EQ of the range a little bit. Oh, it was right here. Yeah, close enough. So let's go to market open. Here on market open, we see price generate liquidity to all this low resistance that we had stacked up. So this is obviously the drawn liquidity. The main drawn liquidity, the high time frame drawn liquidity is all-time highs, of course. We've been like that for around like a month. It's crazy. And yeah, just generating liquidity at these highs, which is so beautiful. This is what I like seeing every time. That's where my most my highest win rate setups come when market opens. We generate liquidity at the highs, and especially like towards my high time frame draw. Like that's when I see the most wins. And then we don't take out any liquidity. Then we go down, take out this 1 hour, beautifully react off of it, right? Let me go back. We go down, take out this 1 hour. There was like I don't know, like a 30-second CIST, but that's like a fade because why would I? It's choppy. We're probably gonna end up generating more liquidity as well. We're not seeing any like yeah, there wasn't really just a good entry off of it. You can't enter off a 30-second CIST like that when we're obviously generating liquidity lower. Um, Now on to the setup we got today. So after that, we create this 5 minute, and then right here we end up accumulating, manipulating down into my condition 1 hour gap. It taps perfectly into the 1 hour, the 5 minute inside the 1 hour. So it doesn't really need to go anywhere lower inside the 1 hour. So at this point, I'm super confident. If we're bullish, if we want to go towards these all-time highs, and also when Ethereum, when ES stays up high like this, like it already took out the 1 hour pre-market, and the fact that it stayed up here throughout the entire like morning just goes to show further that we are bullish. So if we are bullish, this is where we're gonna displace off of, right? We're gonna displace off of this. And what is the most obvious drawn liquidity that I can go for here? So obviously this unfilled 5 minute that we haven't taken out. So what ends up happening, take out this hourly gap, and then we displace through this 30-second beautifully. We haven't, oh my gosh, I've been waiting for the setup for like a month. this was really nice. Yeah, and then what ends up happening, I wasn't on the right account, so I had to switch it, but that ended up helping me, and I got an entry right here for a 1 to 2.1 RR targeting this 5 minute, and it hit about, no, looks like it was like 2.5 minutes. Beautiful setup, and we look at, oh my gosh, we're still displacing. Like, I could have held this all the way to this intermediate high. Wow, that would have been crazy. But there's obviously still consistency, so targeted the obvious draw, the low hanging fruit. This and yeah, I can see us definitely going for all time highs today. We're probably, I don't know, all time highs. Just take longs. Just, like, unless it's like obvious, do not take shorts. Like, the only reasons I would be taking shorts in all time highs is like we're obviously going lower towards like a lower time frame or a high time frame drop before we go higher. Like this, we disrespect all the gaps up here, so we gotta come down, take out that. Like just small market maker sell models inside of all time highs. That's the only reason I'd take shorts. But just keep longing all time highs, and yeah, that's all. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.